did you learn what it means to reciprocate? And how much can I be expected to tolerate?
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a pod filter on my Super Cub 110, otherwise known as Simba. And yeah, basically just getting started right away with taking off all of the plastics that are covering the airbox, and more importantly there's two bolts that hold the entire thing together. As you can see, I'm taking off the leg fairings, so there goes the right side, and now I'm just taking off the left side. It can be a little bit finicky with all of the plastic clips there. So I'm just taking off the crankcase breather hose. There was a zip tie on it, and now I'm just going to unbolt the two bolts that are holding the main airbox, as well as the screw that holds it onto the throttle body. As you can see, it was a bit of a struggle, but I finally got it. So that's the crankcase filter. It's from K&N. And basically I'm just tightening it onto the crankcase breather hose just directly, and just putting I was going to put a zip tie on it, but I'm just putting a zip tie just to mount it somewhere. And that's my uni pod filter. It's at a 45-degree angle to make clearance for the chassis, but as you can see, it's as simple as just tightening it onto the throttle body. And yeah, let's give it a good old listen and see how it sounds like. I do apologize for the comparison video. It's from like half a year ago. So anyway, here's the comparison. Alright, it's time to put everything back together. It's essentially just the reverse of what we did, except this time the right panel has to go on first, just as it has clips in the middle that does require it to go on that way, so yeah. Also, it is a bit of a struggle getting the panel to stay in place and make sure that it has all the clips correctly. And then it's just a matter of screwing it all back on. But yeah, as you can see in this one, the side was quite hard to do as well. Just getting the front clips on at the same time as the clips at the bottom. But now I've just got to put the 3 screws on the side. And then just all of the screws in the middle. There's one screw that connects the 2 leg fairings together, and then there's just some plastic covers that go on top of that. And it's just the battery cover that needs to go on now. And now I'm going to tidy up by kicking a box. Perfect. No, just kidding. Okay, I'm actually going to put all the trash in there, so I'm just going to throw that away. And we're going to go for a test ride. This time I'm actually going to record it, so it's, yeah, the sound quality isn't amazing because the phone mount causes a bit of vibration, which I am doing a review on. Stay tuned for that. so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and if you want to see more content, do subscribe. I have like 3 other videos like already recorded and ready to be edited, so I just need to do those. Got the phone mounts, which I briefly mentioned, and an oil change, and then there was one other one which will keep a secret. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video again, and I hope you guys have a good day or night.